In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. If you've ever wanted your text to bend perfectly around a logo, badge, or circle, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with clean, professional results. First, open Canva and head into your design. You can start from a blank canvas or open any existing project where you want curved text. Give your canvas a moment to load so all the editing tools appear along the top and side. Next, add your text. Click the Text tab, then choose a heading, subheading, or a simple text box, whatever suits your design. Type your text, choose your font, and set a rough size and color. It's helpful to make these basic choices now so you can see how the curve will look with the style you plan to use. Click once on the text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the toolbar options update at the top. Now, open the Effects panel. You'll find it in the top toolbar. In some layouts it may appear under Text options. Click Effects to reveal a panel with various text styling choices. Scroll down to the section labeled Shape and select Curve. The moment you click it, your text will arc into a curve. This gives you the base shape, and from here you can fine-tune the bend. A slider will appear below the curve option. Drag it to the left for a traditional smile-shaped curve, or to the right for a reverse, frown-shaped curve. Move the slider slowly and watch your text update in real time. Small adjustments usually work best, especially if you're aiming to match a specific circle or design element. If you want to refine things further, you can adjust the radius by dragging the corners of the text box. Expanding the box will gently widen the arc. Shrinking it will make the curve tighter. For even more precision, especially when wrapping text around a circle, use letter spacing to spread characters out or pull them closer. This helps maintain smooth spacing along the curve and prevents letters from crowding at tight angles. You can also nudge the text box slightly to align it perfectly with your shapes, and center the text within the box so the curve appears balanced on both sides. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.